Sorry, so I was in Chilliwack this morning. I got 1,133 miles left to drive, and I'll be in Fargo, North Dakota. So we're currently in Spokane, Washington. Not bad. I got 3 hours and 40 minutes left to drive. Oh. I'll get there. They want me there for sometime Monday, but I have no idea what time I'll be arriving there. It'll be Monday for sure, but I'll still have like 300 miles or so to drive to get there Monday. So I got 1,100 minus 600, and it's 500 and change, and then whatever I have for hours left to drive today. So I got 3.5 hours, so I'll probably get another like 60 miles is an hour, so 120 is 2 hours, so that'll leave me with 1,000 left, and then another hour is another 60, so that'll be 940 miles, give or take, that I'll have to do tomorrow and Monday. This is Saturday right now. And me being empty, I got a load of motorcycle doors. That's right, folks, I got a load of motorcycle doors. You know how hard it is to stack them things? Strap them down? They're crazy, them motorcycle doors, I'm telling you. Crazy. Anybody that ever driven truck must have picked up a load of motorcycle doors. Have you thought about it yet? One more time. Motorcycle doors. Think about it. That's right. Motorcycles don't have doors. I said that to a customs officer, and he didn't get it for a while. I had to repeat it, and then he finally got it. I said it to another driver yesterday, and he had no idea what I was talking about. And it's easier to say that than it's a change, because most people would say if you're going empty, you got sailboat fuel or dispatcher brains or whatever, right? But I like to change it up, so I say motorcycle doors, meaning motorcycles don't have doors. So I got an empty trailer. It really throws everybody off the deep end, or actually not the deep end, but throws you off a little bit when I say that to them, right? They gotta stop, and I have to say it 2 or 3 times before someone realizes what's going on or what I just said. Then they go, oh, wait a minute. So be my guest. If you're a truck driver, go ahead, use that. Wish this pickup truck would do something. Which this straight truck would, big truck would get out of the center lane if they want to drive slow. I think this guy's going to get off this exit. Okay, I was hoping that this guy would get off this exit, but I guess not. watching a lot of the TV show Lost I hadn't watched any of that before. Just finishing up season 2, and man, it's ever good. I tried watching that Breakout, or Prison Break, that's what it's called, Prison Break. I got to season 4, episode 1, and I couldn't watch anymore. To me, it's like watching Friday the 13th or Freddy Krueger. No, I guess Friday the 13th and Nightmare on Elm Street. You know, after a while it just gets old. They always end up coming back. A dog pees on Freddy's grave and he's back. You know, and how many times did Jason come back from the dead? And you know, always the first and second movie are the best, but then after a while they get stupid. And that to me was like Prison Break. And if you haven't seen it, the first 3 seasons are great. That 4th season, I just couldn't do it. I'm not going to tell you either. I'm not going to tell you anything about it. I'm just going to tell you that I couldn't watch it. Now, Breaking Bad, that's a good one. I like Breaking Bad. I enjoyed that one. I've actually started watching it again. I think the 3rd time. That one I enjoyed. And once again, I didn't get into any of it when I was out here on the road. And it's kind of hard to do that. I'm never home. I'm never in front of cable or TV that has normal TV channels, you know. It took me about, I think it was the second last season to watch Game of Thrones. That was a good show. And the Vikings too. That was a great show as well. And Sons of Anarchy, that was another great season, show. I watched all those after they've already been on TV and all that. The best thing about doing that is that you don't have to worry about watching the commercials. And you don't have to wait till next week for the next episode of Breaking Bad or whatever. You can just finish it, go straight to the next episode. I got a PlayStation 5 in my truck and I haven't turned it on in forever. It's been like 3 weeks, maybe a month now, and I haven't even taken it out of the bag, that PlayStation 5. I was playing it really well and a lot and almost every day, and I was addicted to it. And then my friend passed away and things changed. And yeah, things changed. So, not into the games too much anymore. It's not that I haven't been. I got this new job, as you can see, and I run across Canada a lot more than I do ever before. And I got this internet. I got my phone and my internet box and a few other things. They're all on Verizon Wireless American channel, or American phone. And I only get 2 gigs of high-speed internet in Canada, and I spend half my trip in Canada and half in the United States. And then when I do finally stop, when I'm in the States, and I don't really want to take it out, hook it all up and all that stuff. But I did tell my friend, my very good friend Bill, that that's what I'm going to be doing tonight. So while I'm cooking my dinner, I guess I can play some games. I don't know where I want to cook for dinner. Oh, I do have to take the salmon steak out of the freezer, and so I can cook it up tomorrow. Oh, I just realized something. See that building across the road there? That's a scale. And that's not what I realized. Usually when you run into a next state, like that one says state line, half a mile, you always run into another when you get into each state, you run into another scale, right? So now I'm in Idaho. Going to be. 'Well, I guess with that, I will say, hope you enjoyed the video, the episode. And hope you come back and watch some more. And have yourself a fantastic day. Bye for now.